The Haunted House Mystery. Chapter 1. The Bank. Ricky stopped his bike. He was on Front Street. He was waiting for Tom. They were going to meet at West Video Store. Ricky, someone was calling. Maybe it was Tom. It wasn't. It was Eddie. Eddie, where are you? Eddie, where are you going? Ricky asked. I'm on my way to Michelle's paint shop, Eddie answered. Michelle's paint shop. What's up, Ricky asked.